Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Google Drive feels cluttered, messy, or impossible to navigate, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Drive efficiently in 2025 so you can find anything you need in seconds and boost your productivity. Stick around because by the end of this video, your drive will feel brand new. Clean up your drive. Before you organize, you need to declutter. Start by removing duplicates, outdated files, or anything you no longer need. And you can use the search bar to find large files or old documents that are just taking up space. This simple step instantly makes your drive easier to manage. Create a clear folder structure. Think of your drive like a digital filing cabinet. Create main folders for broad categories like work, personal, school, or projects. Then add subfolders inside each main folder to break things down further. For example, under work, you could have reports, presentations, and client files. A consistent structure keeps your files organized and easy to navigate. Use descriptive names. Instead of leaving files with generic names like Document 1 or Untitled, rename them with clear descriptive titles. Include dates, project names, or keywords that make it obvious what the file contains. This small habit saves hours when searching for files later. Color code and star. Important files. Google Drive lets you assign colors to folders. Use this to visually separate categories or highlight priority folders. You can also star important files, so they're always accessible from your starred section. These visual cues make your drive intuitive and faster to use. Take advantage of tags and search. Use Google Drive's search filters and add keywords in file descriptions when possible. This turns your drive into a superpowered search engine, making it easy to locate files without endless scrolling. Maintain regularly. Organizing isn't a one-time task. Schedule weekly or monthly check-ins to tidy up new files, archive what's no longer needed, and make sure your structure still works for your current projects. Regular maintenance keeps your drive clutter-free long-term, and that's it. By decluttering, creating a smart folder structure, using clear names, color coding, tagging, and maintaining regularly, you'll have a Google Drive that's organized, efficient, and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment with your favorite drive organization hack. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.